For years, keeping a tight grip on your personal spending meant hours of manual data entry. Staring down disorganized spreadsheets, today we are going to build a system where raw financial data snaps into place automatically. Take a look at this split screen. On the left is the raw, unformatted data bank exported at the end of the month. On the right is our end goal, a financial autopilot. This is a custom-programmed AI engine designed to instantly convert that messy export into a clean, highly structured dashboard featuring an accurate pie chart of your spending. To build this system today, you only need two simple things ready on your desktop: an active ChatGPT Plus account and a standard monthly bank statement downloaded as a CSV file. When you eliminate the friction of manual data entry, your role changes. You stop spending your weekends acting as a bookkeeper, logging the past, and you gain the time to act as an analyst, reviewing your current habits. Before we upload anything, we have to address privacy. It is natural to feel hesitant about handing personal bank files over to an AI. That is why our very first step happens outside of ChatGPT. A raw bank statement contains personally identifiable information. The risk lies entirely in specific columns: your full name, your home address, and your specific account numbers. Watch the sanitization process in action. Highlight the columns containing your name, address, and account numbers, and hit delete. That leaves exactly 3 columns: date, merchant description, and amount. This is all the AI needs. By stripping away the identifying markers before the file ever touches the internet, you neutralize the privacy risk. Establishing this strict data sanitization habit is the required foundation for secure AI interactions. With a clean data set ready, we transition into the ChatGPT interface to build the engine itself. Navigate to your sidebar. Click the Explore GPTs tab, and in the top right corner, click Create. This opens the developer environment. You'll see a text box for System Instructions. This acts as your autopilot's permanent brain. They tell the AI exactly how to behave every single time you use it, without you having to retype your preferences. This logic tree maps out the instructions. Start with 2 core rules. Categorize all expense data into standard household buckets, and summarize those categories into a clean table. Add 2 final rules. Visualize the table as a pie chart, and generate 3 actionable savings tips. Providing a rigid 4-part instruction set forces the AI into a highly predictable workflow. By requiring a specific table and a precise chart structure, you leave no room for the system to produce irregular or unverifiable formats. Now, save your new custom GPT in the top right corner, exit the builder, and return to your primary chat dashboard. Instantly, the AI ingests the rows. It sorts the variables into the standard buckets we defined and begins calculating the totals in real time. When the output generates, verify the results. Ensure your visual chart renders cleanly, and most importantly, cross-reference the AI's total sum with the original withdrawal total on your official bank statement. The math must match exactly. That perfect match proves the system works. You invested 10 minutes today to program custom architecture, and as a result, a task that used to take hours will now take about 15 seconds every subsequent month. You have just organized an entire month of complex household finances in a matter of seconds. Looking at the ChatGPT sidebar here, your financial autopilot is now permanently pinned. The true value of this tool is its permanence. Next month, you don't rebuild anything. You just open the chat and attach the new file. As you can see in this diagram comparing 2 monthly pie charts, having a permanent tool opens up advanced analysis. Next quarter, you can upload 3 CSVs simultaneously and ask the AI to map your spending trends over time, instantly highlighting which categories are increasing. If you want to learn more ways to design custom AI tools that automate daily administrative tasks, hit the subscribe button below. Building a financial autopilot replaces the friction of data entry with the speed of immediate analysis. By offloading these monthly administrative tasks, you reclaim the hours needed to actually review your spending and adjust your budget for the month ahead.